So it's November, my birthday month, and I have decided to lose 4 kilos in 4 weeks. So are you up for the 4-week challenge? Well, I've seen my plan. I'll be sharing it on stories and on the post here. I'm excited and nervous.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
And then with 20 seconds break, 20 seconds of this battle rope 10 times. Yes, and then you'll be finished too. But if you're persistent and if I'm persistent, I'm sure we'll get through this. I'm going now for my final cool down 10 minutes of rowing. See you next week.